Not everyone wants to run a broker. In fact, most teams shouldn't. So in this episode, we're covering the fully managed cloud brokers, the ones where you write zero infrastructure code, they scale themselves, and you pay per use. We'll hit the big four: Amazon's queue and notification services, Azure Service Bus, and Google PubSub. Let's go! Start with Amazon's simple queue service, usually just called SQS. It's a managed queue. Dead simple, effectively infinite scale, and it plays beautifully with serverless. It comes in two flavors. Standard queues give you at least once delivery, best effort ordering, and nearly unlimited throughput. FIFO queues, first in, first out, give you strict ordering and deduplication within a message group, but at a lower throughput ceiling. The one concept you must know about the queue service is the visibility timeout. When a consumer picks up a message, the message isn't deleted, it's just hidden. If a consumer finishes and deletes it within the timeout, great, it's gone. But if the consumer crashes and never deletes it, the timeout expires and the message reappears for someone else to try. That's how it guarantees a message isn't lost when a worker dies. It also has built-in dead letter queues. You set a maximum receive count, and after that many failed attempts, the message moves aside. And it supports long polling, where you wait up to 20 seconds for messages to cut down on wasteful empty checks. Retention tops out at 14 days. But here's the gotcha. The queue service on its own has no fan-out. One message, one consumer group. So how do you broadcast? You put the notification service in front. That's Amazon's simple notification service, SNS. It's managed PubSub for fan-out. You publish once, and it pushes to many subscribers: queues, functions, HTTP endpoints, email, text messages. And this leads to the single most common pattern on AWS, the notification service to queue service fan-out. You publish an event to a notification topic. That topic fans out to several queues, one for billing, one for analytics, one for a serverless function. Each queue gives you durable buffering and independent, retriable consumption. So the notification service provides the fan-out, and each queue provides the durability. That combo is AWS's answer to PubSub with durable consumers, and you'll see it everywhere. Now, hop over to Azure. Azure Service Bus is the enterprise-grade managed broker, the closest cloud cousin to RabbitMQ. It gives you queues for point-to-point and topics with subscriptions for PubSub, where each subscription can have its own filter rules. Its standout feature is sessions. A session is how you get ordering. All messages sharing a session ID are processed in order by one consumer holding the session lock. That's Service Bus's version of Kafka's per-key ordering. It also has peak lock, which works like the visibility timeout. Lock the message, process it, then either complete it, abandon it, or dead letter it. Plus duplicate detection, where the broker drops repeated message IDs within a time window, giving you deduplication for free. And it supports transactions, scheduled messages, and per-message expiry. The one-liner: Service Bus is the enterprise queue, sessions for ordering, duplicate detection, filters, transactions. I use it for reliable business messaging on Azure. For streaming and replay on Azure, I'd use event hubs instead. Finally, Google PubSub. This one is built for massive fan-out with almost no tuning, and it's global by default. You publish to a topic, and each subscription is an independent stream of that topic. Its signature feature is choice of delivery. You can pull, where your consumer polls, or push, where PubSub sends an HTTP request to your endpoint. Push is fantastic for serverless functions that scale from zero. It has an acknowledgement deadline that works like a visibility timeout. Ordering is opt-in per key, off by default for maximum throughput. It offers an exactly once delivery option, And with message retention plus a seek feature, you can rewind to a timestamp, a limited form of replay. The one-liner. PubSub is effortless global fan-out with push delivery to serverless. It's not a full log, replay is limited to the retention window, but for decoupled event distribution on Google Cloud, it's the default. So there's your managed broker toolkit, the queue service for simple queues, the notification service for fan-out, Service Bus for enterprise messaging, and PubSub for global PubSub. Next episode, we round out the landscape with the rest of the field: Kinesis, Event Hubs, Pulsar, NATs, Redis streams, and even the world of IoT. See you there!